What if self-discipline is not restriction, but freedom? In Stoic philosophy, self-discipline is one of the most important virtues, and for the Stoic teacher Musonius Rufus, it was essential to living a good life. He believed that your life is shaped by something very simple: what you do every day, what you allow yourself to follow, and what you choose to resist. Without discipline, even the best ideas remain useless, because wisdom cannot guide actions that are controlled by impulse. This is why Musonius Rufus saw philosophy as training. Just as physical exercise strengthens the body, discipline strengthens the mind, and this training happens in ordinary moments, in what you eat, in how you speak, in how you react when something irritates you, in whether you choose what is easy or what is right. In his lectures, Musonius Rufus encouraged a life of simplicity and moderation, not because pleasure is wrong, but because excess weakens the mind. He taught that unnecessary desires slowly take control of us, and the more we obey them, the less free we become. This is the paradox of discipline. It may feel difficult in the moment, but it creates freedom over time, because a person who cannot control their impulses is controlled by them, while someone who develops discipline gains independence. Independence from distraction, from the need to satisfy every desire. And this is what makes a person stable, capable of facing difficulty without losing control, capable of choosing wisely even under pressure. For Musonius Rufus, this was the true purpose of philosophy: to transform the way you live, not just the way you think. If you want to explore this further, the lectures of Musonius Rufus are clear, direct, and surprisingly accessible. They read less like theory and more like guidance for daily life. So ask yourself this: what is one small habit you could discipline today to become a stronger version of yourself?